video. Today we have the buy one get one free Milwaukee. They are live, guys. They are live at the website. Make sure you guys go get them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. I'll leave you guys the link down below to the description section to all these deals. So you guys know me. You guys know how I roll. Big shout out to all the guys that are helping out with the channel, and they do have their own channel. Joe the Tool Guy, Master in Mayhem, Suburban Beard, Tools with Soul Ass. So all of them, make sure you guys check out their channels. They've been helping a lot. You know, everybody's helping each other, trying to get all these deals to you guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So we got, so pretty much I'll leave you guys the link to this thing. This is the cheaper one that they have. This is the, I know the pictures are not working. I don't know why. All I can show you is this picture here. But the deal is working. So you got $199. So this is the cheapest combo kit you guys can buy and get yourself a free tool. So this is the M18 18-volt lithium XC starter kit with two 5-amp-hour batteries, charger, and a contractor bag. You basically go down here to the free section with purchase, or the free gift with purchase. You go down here, you click on the, you can click on any of these. In order to get the most out of your money, out of your $200, I would suggest you go with the most expensive tool. But then again, you know, it's the tool that you need. All right, so the most expensive tool might not be the one that you need. All right, so you guys could get the 5-inch orbit sander. You guys could get the oscillating tool, multi-tool. You guys could get the blower, $169. You guys could get the router for $199. Yeah, like I said, these are much better. You know, these are way better deals. You can get the drywall screw gun, the fuel hacksaw, the fuel cordless jigsaw. You can get the search. This is the impact driver search, the fuel search. And then you can get the rover lights. You can get the job site speaker. Like I said, all these expensive ones are the ones to get. We're just gonna choose. Yeah, we're gonna choose the jigsaw. This is probably one of the better ones to choose. All right, so you add both to the cart. All right, so you can see a price breakdown of what you're gonna be getting them for. Disregard this price. I have more stuff in there. So you guys are gonna get the jigsaw for $99.50. Down from $199, it's gonna go down to $99. That's a really good deal. Same thing with this battery kit. It is two 5-amp-hour batteries. Remember, guys, 2 5s, a charger, and a bag. So you're gonna get that for $99. So that's a really good deal. So definitely check it out, guys. Lots of great deals going on. It's just hard. And then when you get to the cart, you can choose either to let's go to the cart here. I will explain it so you guys would know what to do. Disregard all these. You know, I wanted to get some of these, but they're hard to find in my stores. It says they have 10, but they don't have 10. Not, at least not on the display. All right, so if you want to, like, let's say you want to hack this, I'm just explaining how to do it. I don't suggest you guys do it because this is a really good deal. Obviously, this is not supposed to be here. All right. So this is the 2 battery combo kit, right? And this is the free tool you're going to get. So if you want to keep the free tool, what you do is you select your store here, and you select store pickup. So you go into your local store. Obviously, you're going to choose a store near you, and you're going to go pick up this tool, right? Okay. You can choose to send this home, ship to home. All right. So I chose it, ship to home, and then you can check out. So once you check out, you're gonna put your email in there. You're gonna get an email, and it's gonna tell you if you want your order status. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into that order status, and you're gonna click on cancel. You're gonna cancel this out, and you're gonna keep this tool or pick up this tool at the store. So make sure you guys do it within like 15, like within 10. Try to do it within 10 minutes. Because you only have a certain amount of time before you can cancel that. Or you can, if you guys are getting confused with everything that I'm saying, just have everything shipped to the store. Have everything shipped to the store, or have everything shipped to the house. but this is much faster. Shipped to the store, and just picked up both of them at the store and just walk back in with a tool that you do not want, and you can return it. So that's the way you guys hack it. All right, let me get you guys a second deal. This is the second deal from that same holiday deals. All right, so this is the M18 fuel brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo, 2 with 5 amp hour batteries. This is a pretty good deal too. It's not the best deal because you only get one tool, but let's choose the most expensive ones. We're going to choose the router and add to cart, and then let's see what we have. All right, so you're going to get, it's not doing it because you have to have one in the cart, and I have to take some of these off. All right, so you're gonna get the router here for $132, which is a pretty good deal. It's not too bad, but you're gonna, obviously, if you want the $100, you're gonna want it for $100. You're gonna choose the other one, right? All right, this one's pretty good. This one's actually really good. This one's the impact driver. You're gonna get the fuel top of the line impact driver. You're gonna get the fuel top of the line hammer drill. You're gonna get 2 5s, a charger, and a hard case for $266. That's pretty good. That's really good, actually. So if, like I said, if you guys want to do that, same thing. I'll leave you guys the link to both of these down in the description section of this video, and I will also make videos about the other deals on the other brands, DeWalt, Makita, Ryobi. So yeah, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform my subscribers and likes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.